We don't want to buy escort, so what do? We have to prepare our donuts, and this is how we have done it. Of course, we have already mixed flour and sugar. Already mixed flour, warm water, our baking powder and sugar, and not too much. Now our balls are here. Of course, they have round balls. Balls are here, and when you are putting together the balls, you make sure that they are stiff from inside, so that later on as you prepare, there is enough meat. So we prepared almost how many balls?
1, 2.
We prepared 16 balls for our breakfast, and now we have them here. Some of them are cooking already, some have been eaten, and we are remaining with 7 more to go. So we have to use just a small sufuria because we didn't want to waste a lot of oil instead of the normal cooking pan. And we are using a jiko to save energy. Home science tells us we don't use gas cookers in preparation of such. Okay? So here we are. You ensure that you turn it until it's ready. One of these days I'm going to also be doing some cooking vlogs, because I really love cooking. Only that when now I turn busy, I cook meals that cannot spend a lot of my time. And of course I'm preparing for my daughter's birthday. Once I have everything on board, I'll do it. Yeah, so let's expect that. So here we are. It's morning and I don't want to buy escort, so what do? I have to do my own baking. So these ones are ready. We put them aside. Put them aside here. You can see how yummy they are. And then we finish the final 3. We are done. So once I put them in, I separate by pushing them aside. And to ignite more light or more heat, I do this. You know, once I've done this, you can see the energy is more. Alright, there we have our yummy stuff. And crunchy, of course. Is this what Argentina people call buñuela? Buñuela or bonuela, but I don't put a lot of sugar because for me, too much sugar is dangerous for me. Now you can see, with enough energy, you just have to turn it like that, and within no time they'll be ready. Yeah, so I don't have to keep buying escort actually. Going to the shop every day like I'm a slave. No. Sometimes I just have to prepare them and serve the people, and of course they get plenty fresh, and we call it a day. Yeah, so please keep subscribing to our channel, like the videos we are posting, the live streams, political, social, classes, and vlogs. Keep it live and real, and we really appreciate your presence. If you are new, consider subscribing. If you are a member, just like the video and drop a comment on what we think about our cooking. Thank you and bye bye. So here we have everything now done. Some have already been consumed by the people who are going away, and now some of us are going to enjoy this in a few minutes. Okay, yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate. I don't take it for granted for you coming to my channel, watching what I post, and supporting me through comments and likes and what have you. So keep it real. Today again we have more videos to drop. Remember to come and watch us, guys. Have a nice day. I know you have a lot ahead of you. May God bless you in your endeavors. God bless. Bye bye.